How to check iPhone battery health. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here you will see the option for battery. Tap on that and then tap on the battery health and charging option. Here beside the maximum capacity tab, you will be able to view your battery health. Battery health measures the capacity of your battery relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charge. So, this was about how you can check iPhone battery health. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.